Hi everyone, welcome back to Property Cloud. I am Roshni and today we are going to talk about one of the East Bengaluru's most exciting upcoming residential launches, codename Arvind Sarjapur Road, which is located right opposite the Wipro office on Sarjapur Main Road and next to the upcoming Kodati metro station. This project is already creating a lot of interest among both home buyers and investors. So in this video, we will talk about the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's get started. Codename Arvind Sarjapur Road is an upcoming premium residential development by Arvind Smart Spaces designed for buyers who are looking for spacious home, modern amenities and excellent connectivity in one of the Bengaluru's fastest growing IT corridor. Spread across approximately 5 to 5.5 acres, the project will feature elegant high-rise towers with a structure of 2 basement, ground floor and 18 residential floors. The development is expected to offer around 440 exclusive residences along with over 85% open green spaces, creating a spacious and refreshing living environment for residents. Now let's talk about what makes this location so attractive. So the project enjoys a prime position on Sarjapur Main Road directly opposite to Wipro and right next to the upcoming Kodati metro station. And this gives residents excellent connectivity to some of Bengaluru's biggest employment hubs and business hubs. Wipro SEZ is literally opposite the project, while the upcoming metro station will be within walking distance. RGA Tech Park can be reached in around 5 minutes, while RMZ Eco World and RMZ EcoSpace are approximately 15 minutes away. And when it comes to lifestyle amenities, the project has been thoughtfully planned to cater to residents of all age groups. There will be a grand clubhouse, swimming pool, fully equipped gym, indoor games room, multi-purpose hall. Moving on to the residences, so the project will offer spacious 3 and 4 BHK homes designed with a strong focus on comfort, functionality and privacy. The 3 BHK residences are expected to range from approximately 1500 to 1900 square feet, making them ideal for modern families looking for generous living spaces. For buyers seeking larger homes, the project will also offer 4 BHK residences ranging from approximately 2100 to 2300 square feet, and these homes are designed to provide expansive living areas, larger balconies, enhanced privacy and premium specification throughout. By submitting a paid expression of interest EOI of 2 lakh rupees, interested buyers can secure priority access to the project before the official launch. Early buyers can benefit from priority inventory selection, the best launch pricing opportunities, exclusive pre-launch offers, preferred tower and floor choice, flexible payment plans, home loan assistance from leading banks, and dedicated relationship managers support throughout the booking process. From an investment perspective, Sarjapur Road continues to be one of the Bengaluru's strongest real estate market with ongoing metro expansion, major infrastructure upgrades, and proximity to leading IT hubs. The corridor continues to witness strong residential demand and long-term appreciation potential. Whether you're looking for a premium family home or a strategic real estate investment, codename Arvind Sarjapur Road is definitely a project worth keeping on your radar. For the latest update, floor plans, pricing announcements, brochure or booking details, make sure to check the link provided in the description below. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.